Replacement doors. Ferndale is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our Ferndale MI door installation experts specialize in providing top-notch entry door replacement and patio doors Ferndale solutions. Whether you need custom doors Ferndale or sliding doors Ferndale, our team is equipped to handle all your door needs with precision and care. For those seeking energy-efficient doors, Ferndale energy-efficient doors are the perfect choice. These doors not only help reduce energy costs, but also improve the overall comfort of your home. Our Ferndale door hardware solutions ensure that your doors are not only functional but also stylish, with a wide range of options to choose from. Replacement doors. Ferndale services are essential for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your doors. Our Ferndale door replacement services include door hinge replacement, door jamb replacement, and door alignment Ferndale. We also offer door threshold replacement and door lock installation to ensure your doors are secure and operating smoothly. Door refinishing Ferndale is an excellent way to restore the beauty of your existing doors. Our Ferndale door refinishing services include door painting Ferndale and door sealing services to protect your doors from wear and tear. We also offer door glass replacement and Ferndale door glass solutions to enhance the look and functionality of your doors. Security replacement doors. Ferndale are a must-have for those looking to enhance the safety of their property. Our Ferndale security door installation services provide peace of mind with high-quality, durable doors designed to withstand forced entry. Additionally, our Ferndale door weatherproofing services ensure your doors are protected from the elements, reducing the risk of damage and extending their lifespan. For businesses, our Ferndale commercial door experts offer comprehensive commercial door replacement services. We understand the unique needs of commercial properties and provide tailored solutions to meet those requirements. Our Ferndale residential door services cater to homeowners looking for new doors. Ferndale, Michigan, with a wide selection of styles and materials to choose from. Ferndale custom door solutions are perfect for those looking to add a personal touch to their property. Our Ferndale custom door solutions include a variety of materials, finishes, and designs to create a unique look that reflects your style. Whether you need replacement doors Ferndale or new doors Ferndale, Michigan, our team is here to help. Door maintenance Ferndale is crucial for keeping your doors in optimal condition. Our Ferndale door maintenance experts provide regular inspections and maintenance services to prevent issues before they arise. We also offer door weather stripping and door sealing services to improve energy efficiency and reduce drafts.